guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rebecca. If you're new here, please go ahead and subscribe, and if you're not new here, thanks for stopping back and clicking on this video. I appreciate it so much. I have a different type of video for you guys today. I have an unboxing and it's a little exciting. I just wanted to show you guys what I got. The other day I was going to dinner with a friend, and I got her dressed and I didn't want to take my purse with me, and I was like, you know what would be nice? It would be nice if I had like a little clutch to just go to dinner with, just to wear, you know, just to kind of up an outfit a little bit. And I've been on the hunt for this item. It's super hard to find, literally. When I went to the Louis store, I actually went there a couple times. The lady's like, oh no, it's gonna be so hard for you to find this item, but I was dedicated and finally I was able to get my hand on it, and I just want to show you guys. I just want to do an unboxing for you guys, and I also got a new fragrance that I'm gonna be showing you guys in this video also. Okay, all right, let's get into it. So this is my box. Don't mind these people. They had no reason putting it in that big of a box. They just wanted to do the most, and I was here for it. But by the way, this is not a true unboxing. I already kind of looked at the item and looked at what I got, so yeah. But this is the packaging it came in right here. Excuse my nails, I know they're not done and it looks so bad, but y'all just forgive me today, okay? But yeah, so that's the box that it came in, and this is the item. It comes in this dust bag. And here we go. So yeah, you guys, I got the Louis Vuitton Toiletry 26. I believe these come in 3 sizes, and this is the biggest size. I know this is supposed to be like a makeup case, but a lot of people use it as a clutch, and that's what I intend to do also. I plan to use it as a little clutch for like evenings, dinner, brunch, whatever. This is all canvas. It's literally just like a canvas flip over. The only part on this clutch that's leather is right here, and yeah, I heard this holds a lot of items. Actually, I've worn this one time. It holds like the basis of like everything you're gonna need when you're going out. You're able to put your cell phone, lip gloss, little brush, whatever, you know, you're able to get a few things in here, and that's like super important and just practical for me. So yeah, that's it. I was super excited to get this. Like I said, it's pretty hard to get your hands on these right now. You're gonna have to be really dedicated, but yeah, it's a little trendy, but I didn't get it because it was trendy. I just got it because I thought it was practical. So there we go. The lady I work with, by the way, I went to the Louis Vuitton store in Edina. The lady I worked with was super nice, and this is just like a great entry-level purchase. You know, it's not too expensive. That retails for $520, so it's not crazy out there. It's not expensive at all, and it's just a great getting your feet wet purchase. And yeah, so guys, the next place I went, actually I did this order online, was Nordstrom's. I got this two already unwrapped. I got the Maison Francis Coeur de John Baccarat Rouge 540 perfume. Y'all, everybody and their mama seem to have this fragrance, and I've heard great things about it, but quite frankly, I spray a little on my arm to try, and I'm a little disappointed, but I'm gonna give it some time and just see, okay? But this is just how it comes right here. Y'all, look at this packaging. Look at this packaging. It's so sleek. Like, it is so sleek and just it's beautiful. But yeah, those are the two those are my two most recent purchases that and I just wanted to do an unboxing and show you guys. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are staying safe. Again, if you're new, sis, go ahead and subscribe, and if you're not new, thanks for stopping back to watch this video. I have more content coming for you guys, and I will catch you guys in the next one. I love you guys always, but you already knew that, girl. You already knew that. Bye guys, I'll catch you guys in the next one.